Futurelooks CES 2011 coverage is brought to you by NZXT, creators of the award-winning Phantom Enthusiast Full Tower Chassis and the Hale 90 80 Plus Gold Power Supply Series. And EZP.net, fast, reliable, and finely tuned web hosting and the official home of Futurelooks.com.
Hi, welcome to CyberPower Suite at CES 2011 at the Palazzo. We're going to take you for a quick tour of some of our new products for 2011. This is our Fang Evo Viper system with the Sandy Bridge upgrade with dual 360mm radiators. This is the first system that we have set up for 2011. Main feature of this chassis is that it can house two 360mm radiators. So as you can see here, we have one on the side and we also have one on the top right here. And this system we're doing three-way SLI with 580s. And one of the most complicated issues with having a side-mounted radiator is getting into the system once you have the hose attached. So what we did is we used the quick connect technology to just allow you to easily remove the side panel and access your internals for upgrades and modifications. The system also has the newest ASUS Sandy Bridge Maximus 4 Extreme motherboard, and we have this OC'd currently at 4.5 gigahertz, but we've actually hit it up to 5.0 in our test labs. Also, one of the features in this case is that we have this Aero touch panel here, and what you don't notice is the radiator or the pump is actually attached to the fan control like such. Because most of the cases we have or that are available in the market have limited 5 and a quarter inch drive bays. So what we did is we just combined both so that we can still have the touch panel, the water cooling, as well as additional space for your optical drives as well. And we'll be offering this product in Q1. More onto the Sandy Bridge technology. This is one of our main focus in terms of mobile for 2011. We've worked closely with Pegatron, and we've come out with this very awesome 15.6 inch notebook that features Intel's Sandy Bridge quad core with integrated graphics, and we have this running StarCraft 2, and it's getting unbelievable frames for integrated graphics. We're getting 35 average FPS on medium settings. This product will be available by the end of January. MSRP will be starting at $699 to $799 depending on your processor. Basically, it is our Power Mega video series. Lots of hard drive space. Three-way crossfire setup for video editing, photo editing. This is housed in a Thermaltake Element V chassis, and the main feature is actually in the front here with the Thermaltake hard drive enclosures. So basically we can fit up to 20 or more hard drives in the system. As you can see here, these hard drive enclosures have power buttons, so you can turn on and off individual hard drives when you don't want them on. What you have here is a prototype, early prototype, but you can get a sense of what it's going to be. You have your full-size ATX tower on the bottom here with an additional add-on at the top that can be opened as such. So this is the back end. I'll take you around towards the front and show you that on the top here you can have additional hard drive space. And also we're working closely with the manufacturer to actually include the option to add a second power supply or a second 360mm radiator. We have a 360mm already installed at the bottom level here. So we're working closely with the manufacturer to get the second one implemented at the top as well. Also, you notice the inside of this case is pretty huge. We have a full-size ATX board, but there's still a lot of space here for even like an extended board. And we have a 1350 watt power supply here, and there's still so much more space. So one of the features of this case, as more case manufacturers are doing this, is the easy swap technology. Basically just pop open these trays and pull out a hard drive and slap it in, and it installs easily and conveniently. One of the other features of this case is these vents that can be moved to open and close to allow for better ventilation and cooling. This is actually an in-wind Dragon Rider case. It should be all black, but we added a white accent to it to make this look much more appealing. Also, the Dragon Rider right side panel is pretty unique in itself, and with the white, I think it highlights the case even more. So we're working with our design team and our shop to come up with several more designs for this case, as well as the other cases that we offer at CyberPower. So I expect to see this product in the first quarter of 2011 as well.